let's understand what is 2's complement. So let's take previous example only. Okay, let's say we have 1010. This is nothing but 10 in decimal. Okay, I want to take 2's complement of it. I want to take 2's complement of it. So there are multiple ways to take 2's complement of it. Okay, let me tell you the first way. The first way is take 1's complement. Okay, and add 1 in it. Add 1 in it. Okay, and we know how to take 1's complement. So let's take 1's complement. Okay, 1's complement of 1010 will be 0101. Okay, this is nothing but 1's complement, right? Now add 1 in it. Add 1 in it. Add 1. So 1 plus 1 will be 0. Okay, and 1 will be carry. 10 will be 1. Okay, and this will be carry will be 0. So this will be 1 and this will be 0. Okay, so this will be our 2's complement. This will be our 2's complement of 10. Okay, this is one way of taking 2's complement. First take 1's complement and add 1 in it. Okay, if you didn't understand this operation, just for now understand it like, if in bit manipulation we are adding 0 in 1, the resultant will be 1. If we are adding 1 in 1, the resultant will be 0 and there will be carry 1. Okay, and if we are adding 0 in 0, the resultant answer will be 0. Okay, and carry will be 0. Okay, and if you are adding 0 plus 1, this will be same as 1 and carry will be 0. Okay, as of now understand like this only. Okay, so if we are adding 1 in 1, the result will be 0 and carry will be 1. So in this case we have 1 plus 1, this will be 0 and carry will be 1. Okay, and then 1 plus 0, it will be 1 and carry will be 0. So 0 plus 1 will be 1, carry will be 0, 0 plus 0 will be 0. Okay, so this will be our 2's complement. This will be our 2's complement. So this is one way, take 1's complement and add 1 in it. Okay, that's how we take 2's complement. Now there is one more way. Okay, there is one more way. So the second way is, so let's take previous example only. Let's say we have 1010. Okay, so write all the bits until you find the first set bit. This is nothing but set bit. Okay, 1. So from LSB, write all the bits until you find first set bit. Okay, so here write 0, here write 1. Okay, once you found the 1, okay, after that invert the bits. Okay, after that invert the bits. So this will be 1 and this will be 0. Okay, this is nothing but 2's complement. Okay, it is same as previous one, right? So what is the second way? I am writing here. Okay, write all the bits until first set bit. Okay, set bit means 1. We call 1 as set bit. Okay, and after that invert the bit. Okay, or I can say take 1's complement, invert the bit. Okay, this is nothing but take 1's complement. Okay, I hope you understood this way. This is nothing but find the first set bit. Okay, write same bits, and after that just invert the bits. Okay, take 2-3 examples, you will understand. Let's say I am taking this. Okay, I want to find 2's complement of it. 2's complement. So write 1. Okay, you found the first set bit. So after that invert the bits. This will be 000. As simple as that. Let's take one more example. Let's say we have 1001. Okay, so write the first set bit, write until the first set bit, and after that invert the bits. This is nothing but 2's complement. Simple. Let's take 0110. Okay, so write 0. Okay, write 1. You found the first set bit. After this, from LSB to MSB, we are checking from LSB to MSB. Okay, so write, invert the bits. So this will be 2's complement of it. Okay, so whatever way you are suitable with, use that way. Okay, so this is the 2's complement.